Calcite comes in a variety of crystal shapes and is the main mineral of limestone, marble, and beautiful stalactites. Calcite ball press, after years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, has the advantages of high pellet rate, low power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. Calcite ball press. Due to the roller extrusion, the product has high density, high strength, high hardness of 3, high characteristics, has good wear resistance, effectively improve the service life of the roller. The calcite ball pressing mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.